Hello, everyone. This is Matt Miller here at Burtness Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Whitewater, Wisconsin. Just giving you a quick walk around the 2015 Chevy Trax LTZ that we have here on the lot. Really nice, clean unit. This one is about 90,000 miles. Got the Bose audio system, full leather seating, sunroof up above, all-wheel drive. Very clean car, been well cared for in its history. Really nice. Again, the LTZ with all-wheel drive. Tires in good condition. Power locks, power windows. Really nice, good car for smaller SUV. Something that's very easy to get around in and, very easy, good mileage. This one's also got heated seats. If you're looking for a inexpensive, small SUV, this might be the right car for you. If you'd like, you can give us a call here at the dealership, 262-473-8080, or you can work online at driveburtness.com with our online sales staff. All right, thank you, everyone.